In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a cartoon, similar to what you see on the screen. First of all, open up Word and create a new file. So I'll create a new file, just a blank document. First of all, we want the page in landscape. So we go to Page Layout and Orientation. Instead of Portrait, choose Landscape. We also want the page a little bit bigger, so get the double arrow and just drag the margin a little bit to 2 centimeters. Then click on Home and we're going to type in the name of this, so this will be Knock Knock, and put your name on it and today's date. It's a good idea now to save our work. In case anything happens, all our work won't be lost if we save regularly. So I will save my work. File, Save. The computer's asking where should it be saved. It should be saved in your space, so you need to find your name. So my layout is slightly different to the school computers, but I will click on it, and in my case I will click on Disk 2, Year 4, save it in the folder comic and give it a new name. Now it's saved, and in this case it's called Knock Knock. Put your name in the title when you save it so that it's easy to find. Then we can start working on your file. The computer sees Knock Knock as a spelling mistake. It thinks I've accidentally written the word twice. So I will right click and ignore the double up. In the space in between the two bits of writing, I want to insert a table. Click on Insert Table, and 3 or 4 or 2 or 1, but only 1 high. We do not want more than 1 row of scenes or frames. So I will go 3 by 1. There's the size. Highlight them, go to Layout, and so that everybody has the same size, we can click on here and go 8.5 centimeters, and here 6 centimeters. Press Enter. Everyone should have the same size frames. That way we can put all the frames together and have a collection of everybody's work. Now let's get the formatting right. While they're all highlighted, if I click off, I cannot have the format button or the tab, so I just click and drag my mouse so they're all highlighted. Now I can click on Design and get to the line weight, choose 2 1/4. Sorry, let's do that again. Highlight them 2 1/4 and then click on All Borders. Now we're ready to put the text in. So Insert, Shapes, and down the bottom we see some callouts. I'm using this one with rounded corners. I think it looks the best. And I simply draw a callout. Size doesn't really matter. We can modify those as we go. This point here can be dragged to anywhere, so I'll just put it there. Now blue doesn't look good, so I'm going to choose the shape fill. I'm going to choose no fill. The shape outline is black, and the outline I can also click on weight and 2 1/4. That is our first call out. Now that the formatting of that one is correct, I can simply click on it, Control C for copy, click over here, Control V to paste it in, and Control V to paste it in. I can drag those to anywhere and move them for the conversation. The first one will be knock knock, next one will be who's there in the same frame. So I will click on this one and I will copy it again and paste there. Drag it into another spot and now drag that speech part to the other side. Make it look the right size. We're ready to type into the spots. Knock knock, who's there? Something, something who. You can write the rest of the joke here. So now that our text is right, type in knock knock. Now if the text is not there, click on it and choose the color. Make sure the color is on black or automatic. On black. We've got the text. Again, the computer's thinking a spelling mistake, so right click and ignore the spelling mistake, and I can change the size of that to be just right, and that's ready for my picture to go in. And again, choose black for text. Who's there? And there's a typo, so I'll fix that one up, and question mark. Who's there? Just change it to be not so big, and that's ready for my second person. Today I would like you to get to the stage of having your words there, your speech bubbles, and your joke in place. When you've got that, I've already saved the file, so I simply have to click on save, and that's been updated. And so now if I was to lose the work, I can just, I should save regularly so I don't lose too much work. Now it's your turn.